Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the look that I'm gonna be recreating today. This is a Desi look, so let's begin. First, I'm gonna apply concealer. This is a Swiss Beauty concealer. I just applied the concealer for this look. I have only applied the concealer on the areas where there is a little dark spots or pigmentation. Then I'm gonna be applying a loose powder in all the areas that I have applied the concealer, just to set it all in place so that my concealer does not crease. Then I'm gonna make my eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil. Then I applied a kajal, and for that I have a little hack for you all guys. I applied one kajal pencil on top of my main kajal pencil so that my kajal pencil stays intact and does not smudge. Then I'm gonna apply the kajal on top of my eyelids as I apply an eyeliner, and then I'm gonna smudge that kajal with my finger. After that, I'm gonna be taking a brown color eyeshadow and I'm gonna be applying that on my transition line. Then applying the same eyeshadow under my waterline. Then I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara on top of that. Then I'm gonna be applying a blush. This blush is from K-Beauty. And then I'm gonna be applying a highlighter on the high points of my face. I'm gonna be applying it on my nose and on the inner corners of my eyes. Lastly, for the lips, I'm gonna be applying this brown shade lip liner. And on top of that, I'm gonna be applying this nude brown lipstick. This is my favorite lip combo, and here's the final look. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Okay guys, bye. I will see you in my next video.